Ooh, tell me, cause I've always been my baby. And we leave the wrong time, and the feeling is strong. Ooh, just the way you say it. Ooh, tell me, cause I've always been my baby. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you. Why don't you know you can't escape it? Ooh, tell me, cause I'll always be my baby. And the thing we're
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Josa herself.
Thank you.
And
Wow!
Ay, for the
Thank you.
Galing sa mommy.
Ako yung concert.
Dapat isa pang kanta.
Yeah!
Here's one. Dream niya. Dream na ito. She wants to be, concert,
Singer.
She can sing. She doesn't believe she can sing. She can. Diba? She has a good voice.
Yes!
Wow naman.
Pwede. Pwede. On the spot,
Uy, hindi ko kaya.
Sige.
Well, Sam,
Nanginginig!
congratulations, and
Thank you.
I'm very, very, very proud of you,
Harap ka
along with
dito,
your mom, of course your dad and your sister. I'm very, very proud of you, and I wish you all the best talaga. And know that I do have faith in you, and I always, always will.
Yes!
Thank you so much. It means so much to me for having you here tonight. To even just do one duet with me. So I want to thank you. Just, okay, I want to give them what they want right now. That's okay.
Thank you, and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ann Curtis.
More! 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 Ay! Why?
One more. Ako. Lalo pa rin bumagana ako. And, well, wait.